Hey everyone, today I want to break down some big news for anyone thinking about becoming a US citizen. Starting October 20th, 2025, there's a brand new civics test from Uscis. If you're applying for naturalization, you need to know what's changing. What is the civics test and why take it? It's how the US checks you know the basics about American history, how our government works your rights and responsibilities as a citizen. It's not just a quiz, it's about being ready to participate in civic life. Key thing: file Form N-400 on or after October 20th, 2025, and you take the new test. File before that date and you keep the old 2008 version. That October 20th cutoff is a big deal. No switching tests mid-application. What's on the new test? It's oral, up to 20 questions, drawn from 128 possible civics questions. You need at least 12 correct to pass. If you hit 12 before all 20 are asked, the test stops. You're done. If you miss 9, the test stops. You don't pass. It's clear and reduces pressure as you go. If you're 65 plus and a permanent resident 20 plus years, good news, you still qualify for the shorter test. USCIS keeps that exception. Summary: watch October 20th, 2025. Know which test you'll take. Start studying now. The system aims to be clear and fair and to ensure new citizens can participate in democracy. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, drop questions in the comments. Good luck on your journey to citizenship.